The 2026 Range Rover Vogue Motorhome is a masterpiece that blends the luxury of a high-end SUV with the functionality of a modern home on wheels. From the very first glance, this motorhome makes a bold statement. The iconic Range Rover grille sits prominently up front, now enhanced with subtle design tweaks for 2026, including LED matrix headlights that seamlessly blend into the newly sculpted front fascia. The vehicle stands tall and commanding, its profile sleek yet powerful. Large panoramic windows stretch along both sides, offering breathtaking views from within in a flood of natural light during the day. The exterior is finished in a choice of bespoke paints with satin and glossy effects that shimmer under different lighting conditions. The roof is slightly elevated to accommodate the luxurious living space inside, yet it doesn't disturb the signature Range Rover silhouette. Chrome accents, retractable steps, and an auto-leveling air suspension ensure it not only looks premium but performs like a true luxury motorhome should. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted with the ambiance of a five-star suite. The interior is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, polished walnut, and brushed aluminum accents. Every surface is crafted with attention to detail. The main lounge area features two reclining captain chairs that rotate to face a built-in entertainment unit, complete with a 55-inch OLED screen and a state-of-the-art surround sound system. Ambient lighting flows subtly through the ceiling panels and under furniture, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere no matter the time of day. A marble-finished center table sits between the seats and can be converted into a workstation or dining area, depending on the needs of the moment. The floor is covered in deep pile carpets, while the windows are equipped with both blackout blinds and sheer shades for customizable privacy and lighting. Moving to the kitchen, it feels less like a camper and more like a compact culinary studio. Fitted with Miele appliances, it includes an induction cooktop, convection oven, a built-in coffee machine, and a silent refrigerator with a hidden freezer drawer. The countertops are finished in composite stone, heat and scratch resistant, offering both elegance and durability. A retractable faucet and deep stainless steel sink make cleaning easy, while cleverly hidden storage compartments keep cookware and utensils out of sight but within reach. Soft close drawers and automated lighting in cabinets are subtle touches that make the experience seamless. The entire kitchen area is temperature controlled and ventilated to ensure cooking doesn't interfere with the comfort of the rest of the cabin. The bedroom is perhaps the most impressive space in the 2026 Range Rover Vogue Motorhome. A queen-size bed dominates the room, dressed in luxury bedding from exclusive designer collections. The mattress is memory foam with cooling gel technology to ensure restful sleep in any climate. Overhead storage is integrated seamlessly into the design, and ambient reading lights offer just the right glow for nighttime relaxation. A skylight above the bed allows for stargazing from the comfort of your pillow, and remote-controlled curtains give you control over light and privacy. Opposite the bed, a built-in vanity unit with a backlit mirror, drawers, and a wireless charging station makes morning routines feel effortless and elegant. The bathroom is nothing short of extraordinary. It features a rainfall shower with adjustable temperature presets, surrounded by moisture-resistant teak paneling and a sealed glass door. The basin is set into a granite countertop, with a touch-sensitive mirror and under-sink storage. The toilet is a modern composting model with odor control and self-cleaning features, making it eco-friendly and hygienic. Warm floor tiles and towel heaters complete the experience, giving the feeling of a luxury spa in a mobile setting. A ventilation fan ensures the space stays fresh and dry after every use. For extended travel, the motorhome includes a 150-liter freshwater tank, a gray water management system, and solar panels mounted on the roof to power essential systems sustainably. Driving the 2026 Range Rover Vogue Motorhome is as effortless as living in it. Under the hood lies a hybrid powertrain combining a twin-turbo V6 engine with an advanced electric motor, delivering over 500 horsepower. This means it can handle highways, hills, and rough terrains with equal ease while maintaining a smooth and quiet ride. The adaptive air suspension ensures comfort on all surfaces, automatically adjusting to road conditions. Inside the driver's cockpit, dual touchscreens provide access to navigation, media, and vehicle management systems. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather, with tactile feedback for an engaging yet comfortable grip. Advanced driver assistance features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking come standard, ensuring safety without compromising control. Connectivity is one of the highlights of this motorhome. A built-in satellite internet system ensures you're always online, whether parked in a forest or near the beach. The smart home integration system lets you control lighting, temperature, and entertainment via voice or app, while built-in speakers offer multi-zone audio throughout the interior and even outside. A retractable awning extends from the side of the motorhome, creating an outdoor lounge area complete with weatherproof speakers, mood lighting, and a pull-out barbecue grill. This makes it ideal for camping, tailgating, or simply enjoying sunsets in style. Solar panels and battery storage mean you can stay off-grid longer without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Storage in the 2026 Range Rover Vogue Motorhome is both clever and ample. Underfloor compartments store tools and travel essentials, while overhead bins in the living area keep personal items neatly tucked away. Outside, the rear of the motorhome includes a lockable gear area suitable for bicycles, foldable furniture, or even a small scooter. The entry and exit experience is seamless with an automated door that senses your approach and opens quietly, accompanied by soft floor lighting and an illuminated welcome mat bearing the Range Rover insignia. Every detail in this motorhome reflects a commitment to luxury, innovation, and practicality. Whether it's the whisper quiet climate control, the motion-activated lighting, or the customizable sleeping and seating arrangements, the 2026 Range Rover Vogue Motorhome is designed to make every journey memorable. It's not just about reaching your destination, but enjoying every moment along the way in a space that feels like home and moves like a dream. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a revolution in mobile living, crafted for those who demand nothing but the best, wherever the road may lead.